What is that?
That's my phone.
Oh, that's Ben's phone?
No, Daddy's phone.
Daddy's what phone?
Daddy's my phone.
His work phone. Can I see the work phone?
No, can see it. Daddy's phone.
Can I see it?
No, can't see it.
Why?
Hello, way danger.
Can I see it, please?
No, I can't see it.
You're not going to share?
Yeah,
You're going to share with Mommy?
yeah.
Oh, thank you.
How many failed password attempts do I have? It's like a fraction to just say 3 out of 10 or 4 out of 10.
A sad piece.
What?
The sad piece.
My turn.
No. Okay.
Okay. All right. Here, you can see it.
Oh, enter password. Oh, I must have cleared it when I entered my